Ever wondered why some businesses pop up on your search results when you're looking for a local service? That's the power of local SEO. It's a critical strategy to drive more business to your doorstep. First off, let's demystify this term. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. But what does local mean here? It's a strategy that optimizes your business's online visibility for relevant local searches. In short, local SEO is your business's ticket to making it big in your local market. Now that we know what local SEO is, why should your business care about it? Local SEO drives targeted traffic, boosts visibility on search engines, and enhances sales. It helps you stand out in your local market, giving you a competitive edge. So, if you've been overlooking local SEO, it's time to rethink your strategy. Authority Solutions, a premier SEO service provider, can take your local SEO game to the next level. We offer tailored, comprehensive local SEO services for your unique business needs. Your local market is waiting. Are you ready to tap into its potential with Authority Solutions?